To discover the real difference between the world's two leading soft drinks, we're implementing an anthropological study. Chimp A will be allowed nothing but Coke. Chimp B, nothing but Pepsi. The results are astounding. The chimp that drank Coke showed improvement in motor skills. The chimp that drank Pepsi, however, disappeared.
Hello? It's him!
NBC Sunday Night Movie will return following these messages.
Good evening. Coming up on the 10:30 news, economic renewal and plans to overhaul labor laws in today's throne speech from the Saskatchewan legislature. And putting your credentials on tape, video resumes make their way into the job market. These stories and more at 10:30.
It's a big deal when hot and cool connect.
Hot eats, cool treats, a Dairy Queen.
Want a bargain? Get a move on to Dairy Queen for the 3-for-all, only $3.99. Get a 1/3 pound double cheeseburger and a large order of golden fries and a 21 fluid ounce soft drink. Put them all together and you've got a 3-for-all for just $3.99. Now at Dairy Queen.
Hot eats, cool treats, we treat you right.
Okay.
Ooh. Got something?
Hey, thanks. There's a bite out of this.
Yeah, I got hungry waiting in line.
But,
Look, if you don't want it.
Oh, but it's...
You didn't have to get one, you know.
It's not that. It's just if you're going to take a bite, then logically...
Logically?
The only thing as good as your crispy crunch is someone else's.
I'm going to save mine for later.
Every day on the prairies, folks are looking to trade their horses for more horses.
Howdy. You must be looking for this.
They're doing it with the new Western. Just scratch, and you could win up to $25,000 cash. Or lasso a brand new Mustang instantly. The new Western. It's the Cash and Cars Instant Lottery.
Introducing the evolution of the copper top.
Well, I'm walking, yes indeed, I'm talking about you and me. I'm hoping that you'll come back to me, yeah.
New Duracell, the longest lasting battery we've ever made.
Oh, I'm walking.
We've secretly replaced Jimmy's usual Pop-Tarts pastry with a Pillsbury toaster strudel pastry. Let's see if he notices.
Whoa, what's this?
It's a Pillsbury toaster strudel. It's like a Pop-Tarts pastry,
But tastes better.
it's got flaky crust, juicy filling.
And check the icing. Where'd this come from?
From your grocer's freezer.
Cool.
It's Pillsbury's toaster strudel. Something better tasting just popped up.
Yeah. But why are you whispering?
I'm here with Mad Dog Bratarski. You know that Nestle Crunch is a delicious blend of Nestle milk chocolate and crunchy Rice Crisp. Nestle Crunch crunches when it crunches.
For a guy, the most important part of driving to the cottage is beating last weekend's time. Why is that? The Mazda MX-3 Presidio with the only available V6 in its class. It's all about working and living, taking the scenic route and driving your Mazda.
Dave Thomas has a dream of competing in the 4-man bobsled and winning gold.
Let's try it. Maybe we ought to have lunch first.
If you've got a challenging afternoon, get a Wendys $3.99 old-fashioned quarter-pound single combo with biggie fries and a medium drink. The best hamburger makes the best combo.
48! 48 seconds? No, minutes!
Well, better luck next time.
Yeah, see you, buddy.
Wendys quarter-pound single combo, now just $3.99.
Hey, guys, what about pairs figure skating?
Why does the 1994 Dodge Shadow and Plymouth Sundance give you the best performance for under $10,000? Because it has a standard driver's side airbag, air conditioning, automatic transmission, plus power steering, power brakes, and AM/FM stereo. Or could there be another reason? Fact is, no one gives you so much car for so little money. Dodge Shadow and Plymouth Sundance. Only at your local Chrysler dealer.
Okay.
Got you something?
Hey, thanks. There's a bite out of this.
Yeah, got hungry waiting in line.
But,
Look, if you don't want it.
It's...
Didn't have to get you one, you know.
It's not that, it's just if you're gonna take a bite, then logically...
Logically?
The only thing as good as your crispy crunch is someone else's.
I'm gonna save mine for later.
I'll be back in 137 hours.
Have fun, but not too much.
My girl is out on her own. I'll send you off with your own private guide. She's ready for California.
I have a high threshold for pain.
But are they ready for Veda?
I don't suppose your father gave you permission to pierce your ears, did he?
Textbook case, that. Now the next patient. Seems to be right here. Doctor, say it's 3 a.m. and Jones here phoned you with cough due to cold. What do you recommend?
Better doctor?
Another opinion?
I'd recommend a BENYLIN formulation.
BENYLIN? Why?
It's highly effective.
Yes.
And I know it's the cough medicine you recommend to your patients.
I was going to say that.
BENYLIN, designed and recommended by doctors and pharmacists.
What makes a Dairy Queen frozen Valentine cake so special? Because it's made with the sweetheart of treats, delicious Dairy Queen chocolate and vanilla soft serve, and a big hug of chocolate fudge and chocolate crunch. But the icing on the cake is you can get it decorated our way or your way. The Dairy Queen Valentine cake, the most delicious way you can say, "Be my Valentine." We treat you right. Dairy Queen.
Good evening. Coming up on the 10:30 News, Roy Romano's government says the province's $294 million deficit and the plan to balance the budget by 1996 are on track. And putting your best video forward, a look at the latest trend in the job market. Join us at 10:30.
For this kid, it's more than a game. It's a dream. And it's about to be realized in the best game of hockey he's ever played. NHL Stanley Cup, only on Super Nintendo. Only Mode 7 graphics puts you right on the ice and in the middle of the most realistic action and video game hockey. NHL Stanley Cup, only on Super NES. It's the ultimate power play. System and game sold separately. Stanley Cup not included.
Jill got skinny from a friend one day and had the best night of her life. Susie got skinny from a phone call. She feels better already.
My friends think I lost 15 pounds. Truth is, I just got skinny.
All my friends at work keep asking me how much weight I've lost. The secret is I just got skinny.
Introducing Be Skinny, the amazing new bodysuit by Avi. How does Be Skinny work? This body-forming fabric has a unilock design that reshapes your figure the way you've always wanted it. The result, you look and feel thinner without the need to diet.
My husband thinks I just lost 10 pounds. The fact is, I just ordered skinny.
Designers from around the world agree that the one-piece black bodysuit is the most flattering, slenderizing garment a woman can wear. Skinny goes great with any outfit. Be skinny under jeans and a shirt. It looks best with nothing at all. You've seen bodysuits in designer shops and catalogs for $85. Now, through this national advertising campaign, the original Be Skinny by Avi is yours for just $19.95. And it comes in sizes to fit all body types. Now, you can have the slim and trim body you've always wanted without the need to diet.
Honey, you look wonderful.
Thanks, Skinny. Call and get yours now.
To order Be Skinny, credit card customers call 1-800-563-0084. That's 1-800-563-0084. Or send just $19.95 plus $4 shipping and handling to Be Skinny, 410 Passmore Avenue, Scarborough, Ontario.
In the race for a better diaper, Huggies has taken a commanding lead over the competition with the revolutionary Ultra Trim diaper. Its trim design lets a runner move swiftly and easily because it's nearly 50% thinner than ordinary diapers. And Huggies Ultra Trim is incredibly absorbent, so it protects against leaks like no diaper ever before. And Huggies Ultra Trim sets a new record for thinness with great leakage protection.
Glad Cling Wrap helps keep food fresh. Glad Cling Wrap is easy to use with a touch stick spot that keeps wrap at your fingertips. Cling Wrap. So which one's the special one?
Glad Cling Wrap.
If you've got no room for cat litter box odor, you need Scoop Away Clumping Cat Litter. Liquid clumps up in Scoop Away so you can scoop it and odor away. No room for odor? Just say Scoop Away.
Totally.
Hit it. Check this out. Whoa!
Thanks for seeing me during lunch, Mr. Ross.
No problem. I'll make a couple copies and we can get started.
Fresh, hot McDonald's fries. They're so tempting. What you want is what you get.
Okay, so.
At McDonald's today.
Mr. Barnes, tell me about yourself.
Introducing new Ragu Super Vegetable Primavera. You're gonna love it.
I'm a nurse, and I'm a nurse first, and I'm an Aetna employee second. The care is first. You know, is that patient being handled appropriately? I would hope that we would all care about patients the way we would ourselves or our own family members. And that's the way I see it, that, you know, that's my job.
Something scary's hiding behind my shower curtain. Grungy mildew stains and dingy soap scum, too. I'm tired of using two products to get my tiles really clean.
Presenting Vanish Mildew Plus with Bleach Plus powerful cleaners. It quickly removes mildew stains with bleach. Plus, it has more cleaning agents than Tilex Mildew Remover to break up soap scum. So it cleans soap scum better.
Now it's safe to go back in the shower again.
Now get free Vanish drop-ins at checkout. See Sunday's paper for coupons and details from S.C. Johnson Wax.
Monday, would you buy a car from the Fresh Prince?
I tore that sales chart up today.
But how far will he go to close a deal? Then,
You want to go steady?
the conclusion of Beach Blanket Blossom with Fabian
My hero.
and the ruler of the waves surf contest.
Major flingage.
All new Fresh Prince Blossom Hour.
Monday.
In just 2 days, Michael Jackson, Janet Jackson, the Jackson 5, for the first time in 20 years, performing together with a salute to Elizabeth Taylor and Motown's Berry Gordy. You cannot miss the performance of the year, the reunion of a lifetime.
I love you.
The Jacksons, Tuesday at 9, 8 Central on NBC.
NBC's 4-night Superstar Weekend. First on Friday,
They're under the ground.
Kevin Bacon and Reba McEntire in Tremors. Saturday, he's a cop in a class all by himself.
It's not a tumor.
Arnold Schwarzenegger is Kindergarten Cop. Then on Sunday, it's Steven Seagal.
You kill a cop, you're gonna die.
The network premiere of Out for Justice. And Monday,
Why is he torturing me?
she witnessed his crime. Now he's after her. Patty Duke and One Woman's Courage. 4 nights, 4 big movies on NBC.
Coach needs more meat. Coach wants some meat. M-E-E-T. Get the coach some meat. Meat's on the way.
Bigfoot Meaty Madness!
Introducing Bigfoot Meaty Madness. 4 meat toppings, one low price, just $10.99. What's this? It's the meat, Coach. Well, he's kind of scrawny. Suit him up. Great. Bigfoot from Pizza Hut, a legendary value.
See this? It won't make you smarter. When it was decided how smart you'd be, your credit limit didn't matter. You can't buy intelligence, okay? Well, maybe you could. I mean, no card is more accepted on the planet than MasterCard. So you could buy books and computers and chemistry sets, and that could make you smarter. And Master Values discounts can save you up to 25% at thousands of stores. And if that's not buying intelligence, at least it's buying intelligently. So maybe a MasterCard could make you smarter. We ought to get you on a quiz show. MasterCard. It's more than a credit card. It's smart money.
Look, Daddy, somebody made me breakfast.
Somebody must think I'm special.
'Cause you got Raisin Bran?
Well, not just Raisin Bran. Post Premium Raisin Bran.
Premium is good.
That means we get not just lots, but hundreds of plump raisins.
That's why it tastes so good.
And these flakes have whole grain wheat and wheat bran.
You deserve it.
Somebody sure must think I'm special.
It's me and Mommy.
Post Premium Raisin Bran makes everybody feel like somebody special.
Laura Glenn is being dragged down by a tough cold. But she's about to break free with an effervescent rush of relief. Alka-Seltzer Plus cold medicine. Pills take time to dissolve, but Alka-Seltzer Plus is ready the moment you take it, rushing powerful medicines to soothe your aches, relieve your runny nose, free your breathing. Nothing rushes relief like Alka-Seltzer Plus.
To discuss